welcome back to my channel. Life plus style equals lifestyle. So hey ladies, hey gents, anybody that's watching, thank y'all for joining the channel. Thank y'all for coming over and checking out the video. I'm just gonna do an unboxing. I am on a platform where they send us products and we review them and see how we love them, and we tell the world. So we're going to tell the world about this. And actually, this is a product that I actually use a lot of. So I am going to be unboxing the Morton's grinders. So this is the cute box it came in. So they sent me this. So you have the Morton grinders, and I already use Morton Salt. I already use grinders salt, and the ones that's refillable. I actually got mine from TJ Maxx and Marshall, so it's not like a certain food brand or brand out of the grocery store. It's just like a brand from like Marshall. So this is the box it came. Everything bubble wrapped. And inside, it basically just shows what we have, which is like the pepper, salt, grinder, and the refill. And then just some information on the back. So, let's see. So, this is the salt grinder. And this is how it comes. Morton Salt. Now, if you are of age like I am, Morton Salt, we know, came in the blue little circular container, however you say it. And you know, the one thing about excuse me, using the salt in the cylinder, you have to shake it, and you sometimes just put way too much. I love a good grinder, honey. I love a good grinder. Morton Salt really brings out the flavor in a lot of different like meats and seafood, but the fact that the they have converted to a grinder now, you can get just enough that you need. So I'm super excited about it. See how cute that is? And then let's see, these allergies, you guys, I tell y'all. Y'all see my hat, Always a Lady? Hit the link below so you can purchase yours. It comes in black, green, red, and blue. So if you are always a lady and you know you are, get your hat today, you guys. This is the Morton Pepper. It's so cute, and it's just like, it's not one of those big ones where you like this. It's just enough to just be able to grind it out. And it has like the red thing at the top. But I like, it's cute, it's compact. It can fit in most of those seasoning little containers that you have, either depending on where you live or how your kitchen is made up. They have the containers now which you could stick to a cabinet and put your seasonings on and then flip it under. So I think this is one of the sizes, the size that it comes in. Don't get me wrong, don't get me in the line. And then they sent me the refill. So this is the bottle that's gonna refill my sea salt. So when I get low on salt, they sent me the refill, and I'm super excited. Like I've been using grinders since long time, 2007, 2008. I seen them in the grocery store, and I was like, ooh, okay. And ever since, this is how I buy mine. But I haven't been able to find it in the Mortons, and I'm so glad they have converted. So this is the refill. This is the pepper, and this is the salt. So we know the basic two seasonings you're supposed to have in your closet: salt and pepper. They bring out the flavor of anything. Everything else is just adding that extra flavor depending on your palate and taste buds and all of that great stuff. But salt and pepper are the basic two you should have. So I'm excited to put this in my kitchen. I'm excited to cook with it and just see how easy it grinds, how big it comes out, how you can adjust the settings. So you guys stay tuned for the video that I'm going to put out on what I'm going to make with this, how I'm going to make it. Y'all going to see me grind and shake it off. But this is the Morton's box, and I just wanted to show you guys what I got. So I'm excited. Like, I love a good grinder. So thank you guys for visiting the channel. If you're new here, I am Always a Lady. I am a fashion and style expert. So everything life plus style equals lifestyle. Join our community. Go ahead and subscribe, like some of the videos, turn on your notification so that you can be alerted when I do load a new vlog or unboxing or things that's happening in my lifestyle, and just enjoy coming along this journey with me. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next unboxing.